Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing the Quickbooks accounting app, a popular tool for managing business finances. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or entrepreneur, this app offers features to help with bookkeeping, invoicing, expense tracking, and tax preparation. In this review, we'll explore its key functions, benefits, and potential drawbacks to see if it's worth using. Quickbooks provides automated expense tracking by syncing with bank accounts and categorizing transactions. Users can create and send invoices, track payments, and even accept online payments directly through the app. The dashboard gives a real-time view of financial health, displaying income, expenses, and profit margins. Additionally, the app simplifies tax filing by organizing deductible expenses and generating financial reports. One of QuickBooks' main advantages is its automation, reducing the need for manual data entry. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, even for those with little accounting experience. The app also integrates with other business tools, such as payroll and inventory management software, making it a versatile option for managing finances. However, there are some drawbacks. QuickBooks can be expensive, especially for small businesses on a tight budget. Some users may find the learning curve steep when navigating advanced features. Additionally, occasional syncing issues with banks can disrupt transaction tracking. Overall, QuickBooks is a powerful accounting tool that simplifies financial management for businesses. If you're looking for a feature-rich app to streamline bookkeeping, invoicing, and tax preparation, QuickBooks is worth considering. However, be sure to evaluate the cost and features based on your specific business needs before committing. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.